open it. So we got this Arabic bread.
Yeah.
So I've ever saw this Arabic bread.
Oh, we got cheese omelet here.
Someone do it. Sausage bread. Oh.
Sausage.
Okay. We got spinach, creamy spinach na sila. Cheese omelet. Beef. Pwede beef apa?
Salami.
Hindi, ito lang. And I guess this is a
Oh no.
potatoes.
Turkey bacon.
Oh.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi! Say hi!
Thank you so much.
Show them.
Enjoy the fat girls.
Yes, thank you. Yay! I'll take this. So back with us, we're continuing it. So this is apa tadi? Spinach, creamy spinach, cheese omelet. I guess this is potatoes and beef,
Turkey bacon.
turkey bacon. Then we also got croissant, and this is the Arabic bread.
Yogurt.
Something for your bread. It's a unsalted butter, and sometimes we got we got the same
We got
jam,
strawberry jam.
and also I guess this is yogurt, but I don't know what's it, the yellow one.
Yeah, we could.
And then I like this. This is a cheese, tomatoes, and I don't know, but you have to know, guys. This is very good cheese. And also orange juice. Okay, that's all. Sin.
Same.
There's sombong kasi. Jangan lah. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, well, we're going to review our food today. Show them what you got.
We got beef, mashed potato, broccoli, some buns, crackers. I don't know.
Oh, yun dapat chocolate juga ini chocolate.
Oh yeah, the chocolate, then
Chips.
unsalted butter, then some snacks, yogurt. I think this is yogurt.
Apa kue?
I don't know. But it has like coconut flakes on top
Yeah.
of it. And this is
Vegetable. That's all. Kita udah mau habis. Yay!